morning, folks. Do not adjust your TVs, computers, or phones. It is really snowing. Check it out. Coming down. Fishing with the new guy today.
What's up?
Mr. Kobe Burkhart. He's caught a fish or two in his life, so
Just a few.
we're over here at Martinsport seeing what we can do, seeing if these fish have moved deep. If they have, it's gonna be a good video. If not, we're gonna freeze to death. We're gonna have fun doing it. So go down, hit the subscribe, check it out. We're about to whack them. Got him.
I'll let them swallow it.
Oh yeah. Didn't take too long.
Nope.
Number one.
Yeah.
Finally got a battery working now. Well,
There's his friend. They're all
what we got?
That's crappie.
Yep.
You choked that thing though. Them things stink.
Yep.
Good?
No.
Oh, you got some crappie.
Number two, crap. He hit it about midway to the boat though. My line is froze on my spool. Have to keep breaking it off. Look there. That's when you know you're fishing in the right time. Every eye is froze.
Golly.
That's what. To
Mine's pretty bad too.
It's not that cold out though.
I ain't cold at all.
I'm not either.
You got one?
No, it's a bass come up and jumped. I watched every bit of that.
Got him?
Yeah, hit it on the fall. It ain't big though. I don't think. Oh, decent one, yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah, he hit it on. Barely had him hooked though. He just swiped at it. That's probably a pounder.
Watch him hit it.
Got him? Get out of your way. That's a decent. Biggest one so far, probably. Oh yeah, definitely. A pound and a half too.
Yeah. He was school with him. I don't see if I can find him. I think they swam off too fast. There's one of them.
Yeah.
There's two or three of them. Look at this bait.
On the bottom.
Yeah, look at them. Come out my bait. I didn't even see them fish. Glued to the bottom, wasn't they?
Yep. I seen that one shoot real quick.
I did too.
What is that? Okay. Watch that. That's a good one. That's a good one.
That's cool.
Watched him turn on it, didn't you?
Yep.
Yep. Uh-oh. Saw that. Saw that. That's still pretty.
Yeah, yeah.
Big black spot on it.
The fat guy.
Is that a spot?
No, I think he's a little largy.
It's got a distinct lateral line though. Had a black spot on it too. Yeah.
Got another little.
It's so cold the battery keeps freezing up. Got him. Good one? Nope. Dude, good. You know, eat that one. That is a large crappie.
For here it is.
Yeah, most of the time they're see-through. Yep.
That's the ones I know. No. Nothing fat. Is that a bass?
Yeah. Little bass. Mixed right in there with them crappie. See you, bud.
Didn't make you would.
Another fork special. Got him.
Yeah, spot on.
Big old crappie. Oh, they're stacked. Crappie stacked in here.
Piled in there.
Come here,
It's gonna
buddy.
be a bass.
Come on. Oh,
Oh,
yeah. Oh, yeah. Crappie, what? Oh, yellow bass.
Let's see.
What's the biggest fish you ever caught on Ned rig? Uh-oh. Come on, baby.
A minor, I think.
A minute. Hey, yeah.
God.
Bass City.
I don't even know why he'd try to hit that thing.
I don't know either.
One.
We did catch 2 fish off camera that you're not going to see, but 2 or 3. Good.
He ain't that big.
You want it though.
I'd be convincing though. You can get like where they're running away from them.
Yeah.
Okay, I can get it.
Thinking about it, thinking about it. Ooh, watched him. He got a little fight.
I thought that was a stool over there. There's another one.
Big ones ain't showed up yet, have they?
Got it?
Yeah.
Dang.
Something maybe stick, you know. Little bites. Edge of them trees.
Got it?
Yeah.
Good.
No. Not bad. They all feel big on drop shot. That's like a jerkbait fish. I can't never judge them. Nope.
He did, didn't he?
Yep. Felt him hit it.
Looks like a decent one.
Felt him hit it on the fall. I didn't know. I thought you said, I think we can call this the drop shot dam. And I was like, what? Then I felt it. Goodbye. Got him?
Yeah, he's about 900 yards out there.
You doubled him up.
Yeah, hopefully.
What were you thinking? Hungry, I guess.
Got him.
That the one you saw blowing up?
Yeah. Bet his friends.
That ain't a bad one.
No,
Alright.
that's a decent one.
Yeah. They want that.
I think it's a crappie.
Got him.
And there's one that's swam right now.
They're choking it though when they hit it, ain't
Yeah,
they?
they are.
Looks like a world war zone here on this boat. Blood everywhere.
I know.
Come up to it.
Nice.
That ain't a bad one either. No, that's a bit, huh?
I can't reel.
Froze up.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's with my trigger off. Look at the line.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Look at that. Froze up. Junk. Net.
I think so. What do you call that? Hot dog?
Hot dogged. He hot dogged him.
But me and Eddie stayed out. So. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's a better one for sure. Real good one. That's a better one.
Come on, be a big one.
It's big. Bigger.
Yeah, that's it. He got the
Look there.
green.
Just about to break the wire though. We'll take it.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Throw it in there. We're about to have a picture. We usually catch a few here cranking in the spring down that bank. Oh, right at that boat. No.
That's the brown one.
Hey boys. That is the first one that I've ever caught here.
Well, that's exactly where I caught my big one, but he's about twice as small.
That's definitely a smallmouth too. Thank you. First time for everything.
Oh yeah, I thought that was a big one. That's why I dropped past that little one.
Oh, don't get. Oh, that is good. Oh, there we go. Did it come off in the net?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
A little bit.
Oh yeah. Got him. That might be why they're moving 100 mile an hour.
Yeah.
You got him? Good?
No.
Crappy bass. Little bass. Little hot dogged him.
That was like a pond one. Yeah, they're like, time to leave. Time for the wind to quit blowing. Uh-oh. Got him?
Yep. No. Big crappie.
No.
Huge.
Yeah.
Oh. I tell you what, I'm going out on a make. Crappie. That is it, folks. Getting loaded up. The truck pulling me up the ramp right now. This is it. We caught several fish. I would say in between 30 and 40 today. Caught them on A-rigs. Caught them on single Kitex. Caught them on the beetle spin, tail spin thing. So cold day. This is probably the coldest day I've ever fished. Definitely the iciest day I've ever fished. But the fish were munching. We was able to get on a few. We gone. Peace.